look at a Black Hawk helicopter being shot from our news chopper 4. We'll have another check of your first alert forecast with all that snow up there in the mountains here in just a few minutes.
Can't even understand how much it's snowing right now. I just can't even understand it.
In like 2 seconds, just jumped on.
And so I'm trying to now get a little pathway just out to the street beyond this freaking 5-foot drift of snow.
Fuck, cars are buried again. The road is just gone. Just under the wires here. Like, check out the neighbor's house. Bye bye.
They're so lucky that people were inside that.
So there's the back.
The store sent out a message to the community saying they will work tirelessly to get back up and running even better than before.
We are now searching for the gas meter because Marcus told us that multiple homes have exploded on the mountain due to the gas valve not being able to breathe. So Jason is tunneling. Here's the generator he and we dug out yesterday. So I wanted to clear this out way back behind it a bunch for a fear of just stuff coming off the roof. And look at it. It's like a little waterfall. Look at it. It's already covering the vents on one side. Hello. Hello. And there he is.
Hey, I got a pipe.
Of course, it's Jason going in. Jason has made his way into the cave where he has found the elusive gas main, and he is making it so we don't explode. Thank you, Jason.
Which is a good thing.
Hey, this thing's got a little red button on it. Should I push it?
No.
Just digging out the gas meter so it vents, and we got this awesome view of just all of the snow sparkles coming through the air. Just everything's melting on the trees, starting to come down in drips and sparkles. Once we're outside, now we got to watch out for these big clumps of 10-15 pound bits of snow and ice that have been collecting on the trees. Trying to get it out of here. Seeing if I can attack it from the top. I'm standing at the level of the rearview mirror. Been having helicopters go by all day. Probably scoping out the streets. Some of them might be news. Hello there. So this is what we're dealing with. Even if we got out of the 4 foot actually snow on our street, there's just no way we're gonna get down here. You can see how big this is. It's just we would. Uh-oh.
Never mind him.
We've lost one.
He slipped into darkness.
Okay. We're at the bottom of Cottage Grove. And here's the highway. A little bit of action on the 173. Yeah. The trucks have arrived. I think we're doing all right. Thanks. Anyone?
Should have taken a ride from that guy.
Right?
So we're just out of the village. They're working on getting the 2-lane section plowed, both here and here. Let's do it. Oh, look at it. Woo! It's going slow. So there's somebody that's stuck that's gonna keep the plow from coming through. Here's another one. You can see how narrow it is. And at this point, we're still walking on top of about 3 feet of snow. So for a plow to get up here, it's gonna be pretty tough. You know, truck with chains, 4-wheel drive, you know, I don't know. You can see something's dug some pretty deep ruts trying to get up here. And this isn't even Mike Street. Mike Street's way worse. It's soft still. And you know, we're sinking in 2 feet, and it's at least 3 to 4 feet deep beyond that. Looks like they're going over the 173. So here's the snow that we're gonna have to get off of the deck. There's Mike's next door neighbor's house. And this is my little buddy right here. This is Scarface right here. You'll see why in a second. Come on, Scarface. There you go, buddy. So good news, the plow made it to Burnt Mill. My God, and it made it all the way down, but in the process, they ended up pushing about 15 feet of snow in front of our road, which isn't plowed yet. So, but they're getting there. We could be out of here in a couple days, maybe. Woo!
Anything with the car in here? Oh, car. Look. Car, question mark. Oh, yeah, that's enough.
Yeah, I'm not sure. So when we do finally get plowed out, this is what we're up against here. That's what's going to get shoveled in front of our driveway. All right, Ernest Shackleton out here in the 6 feet above the walkway with the Arrowhead Queen. I deleted the part where he threw snowballs at the ducks.
Sorry, I didn't actually hit one.
Oh, it's really cold right now.
Insane how these clouds are just racing over the top of it. Oh yeah.
Whoa.
The whole bay here. Ducks on the water.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Ducks on the water, fire in the sky.
Okay, that just happened. They're open. Jellies is open.
Jetties.
Jetties. We're walking up through Lake Arrowhead Village. Those are docks with snow on them sunk. And we're walking up here. These are handrails that I'm stepping over right now. Wow. This is insane looking. This is the building Papagayos is in, and the clouds are overtaking us. Black Hawk.
Dark Canyon?
Get off of there.
Oh, it's so sad.
What? It's Sunday, March 5th. We have gotten a lot of the snow off of the deck, and it is snowing again. I think this is the only day we're supposed to get snow, but we don't need it, that's for sure. We're gonna finish digging out the cars today and hope we get a plow through tomorrow. So stay tuned. Hey, Scarface. Something going on out there. Ooh, that's a big ass snowcat right there.
I've never seen a pond.
Never.
What is that?
I don't know, but I hope it's coming our way.
They go to that house?
I smell gas.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like we got an emergency vehicle. Came up. Never seen one of these snowcats before. It's gas company because we're smelling gas.
A lot of the houses around here are not occupied, and even the ones that are have problems with the gas. We've had about 7 houses either have explosions, fires because of gas mains. So we're smelling the gas, and these guys are here to probably dig it out.
I don't think we're getting any plowed.
And see how hard it is for them to even get down to the house. Oh, he just sunk up to his hip. Yeah, this guy's making his own path right here. I don't think we're going to be seeing any snowplows real soon. Hey guys, guess what? It is just past midnight, March 5th, and nature's at it again. Just when you thought you couldn't get any more snow, here it comes.
Well, you could hear the drips of the snow coming off from the sun hitting it. It snowed a little bit more last night, but not too much. You could hear what I'm hoping is a snowplow. Let's check it out.
All right, we got good news today. Got a snowcat, and he's dug part of our street out, and we hear him up here. So we're gonna go take a look, see if he can get us out of here.
Get us out of here.
Get us out of here. So there's the house up there. Got to get down this road to where we're at and down a little more, but he's on the way. We're making some progress. We're gonna actually get out of here. We're getting out of here. So much snow. Look at that. Oh, look at it, it's going just down the hill. Oh, shit.
Dude, that's crazy. Big old chunks.
The road is clear all the way up to where we're at. And then where it got pushed over, it came down and blocked our walkway and right into the front door. So we'll be digging that out too. Not quite out of here, but the road is free, so life is good. Okay, we are out of here. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Hope we never do this again.